Hi, I'm Justin Jan Aran, 19. Justin na lang, for short.
Oh, I'm Ching. Wow, taga-TV ka rin pala.
Yes, second year student taking up Bachelor of Science in Information Technology. Ikaw?
Ay, hindi mo na akong ihatid sa amin. Anong oras na?
No problem, nagkapasaman din naman ako.
So ano palang ganap mo, Inday?
Ha? What do you mean?
Hobbies, talents mo, or iba mo pang side quest in life, ganun.
Oh, right now I'm part of some tech orgs sa PUP like GDG, AWS, Microsoft Student Community, if you're familiar with it. And part din pala ako ng CCS Student Council as Junior Council Officer. Ano pa ba? I also have passion on editing, like graphics design, illustration, and video editing. I think that's enough of me. How about you? I'd like to know many things about you.
Ay naku, eme-eme mo.
Hey, I brought you your favorite snack. Here you go.
Wow, tiramisu! How do you know na favorite ko to?
Siyempre naman ako pa. Eh, ikaw ba? Ano mo favorites ko?
Obviously, you love Clubhouse Sandwich, specifically yung nasa Tropical Hot. You love the color green, habang mo manood ng anime, and to play games like Genshin Impact. Favorite mo rin isaw-saw yung fries sa Sunday. And, finally, you're an aspiring web developer and IT professional. Should I say more?
Who is that, babe?
A friend lang din. Stop overacting.
Friend? Naka-akbay sa'yo? Ano ba ako sa'yo, ha? Babe, let's talk, please. Babe,
Ano ba? Bitawan mo ko. Wala na tayong dapat pag-usapan pa.
I'm sorry, babe. Please, na maayos natin to. Babe.